Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to request someone's location on iPhone. So for you to be able to request for a particular location, or maybe your friend's location or someone's location, here's a quick guide on how to do that. So just have to click on the messaging app on your phone, then click on the person you want to request the location. But since I don't have anyone that want to request the location, I'm just going to fake it, then use my DM as an example. So I'm just going to click on my name, then I'll tap on the profile icon of the person as mine, then I'll click on share my location. Then right here you can choose to share for 1 hour or share until end of the day, or probably you share indefinitely. So if you want to share indefinitely, that means it is endless, and if it is share until end of the day, that means if you share in the morning, then this option should stop working latest in the evening, or probably in the midday or something. So if it is an hour, just click. So I'm just going to click an hour. So share. All right, you can see location. Actually my phone location is being disabled, but for you to be able to do that, you have to enable your location. So once your location is enabled, then you can now share your location with anybody you want, irrespective of the person's location. And that's it. Find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.